Tax Refund 2026 update. In today's video, we have the latest numbers updated on the IRS.gov website. We have lost and stolen refunds. What are the steps you can follow to find out what happened to your tax refund? We also have the next direct deposit date shared and much more. But before we begin, as always, welcome back, everyone. So very happy to have you back for another IRS update. Let's recap. You can check the status of your 2026 tax refund if you e-file your tax return 3 weeks from the date you e-file, and if you mail your tax return 6 or more weeks from the date the IRS receive your mail tax return. And additionally, if your 2026 tax refund is delayed, that means the IRS needs more time to review your tax return. You can also check the status of your 2026 tax refund using the automated refund hotline. For regular tax refunds, that number is 1-800-829-1954, and for amended tax refunds, you can call 866-464-2050. And if you have not received your 2026 tax refund and you believe that it may be lost or stolen, you can request a refund trace. But you must wait until 4 weeks has passed before you can request a refund trace. And you can request a refund trace using the refund tracker on IRS.gov, or you can use the IRS To Go app as well. You can also call the automated hotline at 1-800-829-1954 to request the refund trace. If you are married filing jointly, you can contact 1-800-829-1040 in order to request that refund trace. And finally, you have the option to complete Form 3911. Now let's go over the time frame after submitting a refund trace. The IRS states that they will process your request depending on the status of the refund check. If the refund check is less than a year old, the IRS will cancel it and mail you a new refund check, and you should receive that new check within 4 weeks from the date they issue it to you. Now, if the refund check is more than a year old, the IRS will mail you a new refund check with a CP32 notice. You should receive the check within 4 weeks from the date they issue it to you. And if for any reason they cannot reissue your refund check, you will be mailed a CP32A notice. And that notice will ask you to contact the IRS to request a replacement refund check. Now let's continue with the latest numbers updated on the IRS.gov website, May 1st, 2026. Total tax returns received so far for the 2026 tax filing season, 143,667,000. Total tax returns processed so far, 142,539,000, and that leaves currently over 1,128,000 tax refunds still delayed. And the total number of refunds issued so far for the 2026 tax refund season in dollars is $320 billion, with the average refund at $3,273. Now let's continue with the processing of your tax forms. The IRS is currently processing Form 1040 mail returns received April of 2026 and amended received March of 2026. Form 1041 tax returns original received February of 2026 and amended received September of 2025. And this does not include those that require correction or additional review. And for letters and notices, if you had to provide additional information to the IRS, they are currently updating correspondence received February of 2026. So expect a delay in the IRS updating your additional information. Now, for the good news, the next direct deposit date shared is 846 refund issued for May 25th, 2026. Make sure you're checking your IRS online transcript as well as the WMR for your next direct deposit date. And make sure to share with us in the comments if you did receive your next direct deposit date. Now, make sure to stay tuned on how you can check the status of your delayed tax refunds. You can contact the IRS at 1-800-829-1040, and you can contact the Taxpayer Advocate Service for assistance as well, especially if you are experiencing financial hardship due to your tax refund being delayed. You can contact them at 1-877-777-4778. You can also schedule an in-person appointment by calling 844-545-5640. You can also contact your local state representative by going to house.gov, put in your zip code, finding your representative, and you can contact them to receive assistance in finding out what the delay is. So make sure to explore all of these options to find out what is causing the tax refund delay. And don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and come back for more 2025 tax refund updates and breaking news. Bye-bye.